Welcome to CSlearninghouse. Hacking is a serious threat to computer systems and networks. It can cause data theft, financial loss, and identity theft. In this video, we will explore the different types of hacking and common techniques used by hackers to gain unauthorized access. Before moving to the topic, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, you are requested to subscribe it and click on bell icon so you never miss any new video from us. Hacking refers to the act of gaining unauthorized access, manipulation, or control over computer systems, networks, or digital devices. It typically involves exploiting vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the target system to access or alter information, disrupt operations, or carry out malicious activities. Hacking can be performed by both individuals with malicious intent, black hat hackers, and those seeking to improve security, white hat hackers, through ethical hacking and vulnerability testing. Hacking can have severe consequences for individuals and organizations. To protect yourself from hacking attacks, there are several preventive measures you can take. If you suspect or detect a hacking attack, it's crucial to take immediate action. Here are the steps you should take. Number 1. Use strong, unique passwords. Number 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Number 3. Keep software and devices updated. Number 4. Beware of phishing attempts. Number 5. Use secure Wi-Fi networks or a VPN. Number 6. Be cautious of social engineering tactics. Number 7. Regularly back up your data. Number 8. Secure your home network. Number 9. Install firewall and security software. Number 10. Stay informed and educated about cybersecurity.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please like, share, and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to watch newly uploaded videos.